Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a high quality logo for your brand or company. Let's get started. So as you can see here, I have this outdated logo. So what I can do in order to create a new logo is to head over right here to Canva and then click on this search right here. Search in here for logo. Once you have searched for this right here, you should be able to see some logo template that you can actually use in order to make this possible. So I have in here this logos. So just head over and then just choose which logos you want to use. So for example, for this one, let's choose this black and white right here. Let's click on it. And then it will open this page. Click on this customize this template. And then it will open the actual editor for that. So you should be able to see in here the actual picture that you can edit. So we have in here this. So what you can do in this case is you can actually head over and edit it out. Have in here BC, that stands for Visual Studio. And let's choose in here this Visual Studio and then let's change it here into Daily Tutorial. Now we have in here this B. So we need in here a D, so just click on that and then put a D. And on the C right here, let's put a T. So let's click on T right here. And as you can see, this is what it looks like right now. It also change up its colors. Like for example, if you want to make it all black, then you can actually click on this and then make this white by clicking on this. And then once it's white, you can head over and then just click on this right here, which is the background, and change it into black right here. So I've only changed it just like this one. So you can also make this all color black or color white if you want to as well. So you can choose which ones you want to use in this case. So I decided to use black right here. And then once you're done with that, you can actually click on this share, scroll down and click on this download, and it will be chosen as PNG. Click on this download right here. And as you can see, this will download. Once it's been downloaded, let's head back right here to our general settings. So you can achieve it by scrolling down and click on the settings right here under the general. Now from in there, we have in here our site icon. So let's click on this site icon right here, and then let's upload a file. Click on the select file. And then let's select the file that we have downloaded, which is this one. Click on open. And as you can see, this will be uploaded. Once it's done uploading, click on this set as site icon and we can see it right here. Click on crop image. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to crop this particular image right here. So once you have cropped it, it should be updated as your new logo. Another thing that you can do is you can actually create the logo from scratch. So head over and click on this create design. And then from in there, just choose which one you like to create. So let's choose your logo. And then from in there, it will direct us to the design page of Canva itself, wherein it will show us a blank page. So you can head over and add some text, elements, or anything that you want to add in this case. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like there, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.